Oh, what's in my tail? I can't video you.
I tell you something.
What time does he bite? Does he bite?
I'm used to it. My little chicken wing.
Why are you calling me chicken wing?
Because he is. He feels like one. My little chicken. Try to bite me and see what happens. Come on.
Hey, Roger!
Roger, come here. Roger, please.
Roger, dead!
Roger.
Good one, Roger!
You don't do that when I'm playing dead.
That's hilarious. He licked your teeth, didn't he?
Yeah, he likes your teeth.
He's like, oh yeah.
Dude, my teeth are bones. What do you think?
He's gonna lick you.
He's gonna lick your shoe.
Yeah, help it.
That's the weirdest thing that I ever thought. That's what my cat does. Let's take a picture of him.
I'm taking a video. What the heck?
Take a video.
I am. I've been taking like for 1 hour.
Oh, who
1
cares?
minute.
I'm gonna go get my phone, okay? Roger.
Mine's almost gonna.
Roger, I'm gonna get my phone.
What are you recording?
Guys, I'm gonna
Come on,
get
Roger. Roger's butt.
Guys, I'm gonna get Roger. I'm gonna get my phone, so just wait. Roger. Roger.
Roger.
Roger.
Oh wow.
Roger. Roger.